Hello everyone, my name is Cynthia and I want to thank you for stopping by the Allen Mediation Group channel. I want to talk to you today briefly about the process of mediation and how it might benefit you if you're involved in a dispute. Mediation is a confidential and structured process where individuals involved in a dispute enlist the help of a neutral third party who will help guide the process so that a mediated settlement can be reached that both parties are happy with. Mediation is used in any area of the law where you find yourself at odds and in conflict. It can be used in commercial and civil matters. It can be used in family law, divorce, real estate. Any area where you find yourself in litigation can also be solved via mediation. Now, mediation can benefit you in a few ways, but I'm just going to list a couple for you here today. Number one, if you choose to settle your dispute via mediation, it's typically going to take you less time than you will find litigation takes to get a court case settled. Number two, if you choose the mediation route, it is typically going to cost you far less money than it will to cost you to litigate through civil court. I'm sure many of you may be aware, court dockets everywhere are backed up, backlogged. I think maybe 2 years is probably the average time that it might take, and that's low estimation, to get a case onto a court docket and settle. Number three, mediation is a process where you, as a party to the dispute, you're actually going to have a say-so in how your case will be settled. If you choose the traditional litigation method where an attorney is representing you, you're going into a court of law, it is actually very much, in my opinion, like the lottery. You know, you're taking a chance. If you're going before a jury, that jury is going to decide based on the evidence and their own biases that they're bringing to the table, even though they might not, really admit to that, but it happens. It is a crapshoot, basically. If you have a bench trial where a judge is going to decide, a judge is going to follow the law. The fact of the matter is a lot of litigation and things that are settled in court are settled in accordance with the statutes of your particular state or previous cases that are settled in such a way that the court is forced to follow a certain guidance based on those previous opinions. If you choose mediation, you have a say-so in how your case is going to be settled. You don't have to follow the law. For example, if you're involved in a divorce action and alimony or child support is an issue, there are state guidelines that are going to determine who is going to pay what. Following mediation, you can decide, you and your significant other can decide what the amount is going to be. You don't have to go based on the state guidelines, and it's part of the settlement submitted to the court, and it's the only process where you are really going to have a say-so in how your case is going to be decided. So, if you find yourself in a dispute and would like to consider mediation, please visit our website, www.allenmediationgroup.com, and fill out a consult form, and someone will get back to you and we can talk about how my firm might be able to assist you in a mediation as opposed to civil litigation. Once again, I want to thank you for stopping by. I hope you'll come back again, visit us. I'm going to periodically post videos about the mediation process, how it can be beneficial, different topics under mediation and other alternative dispute resolution methods, and arbitration as well. Okay. So once again, thank you for stopping by. Until next time, bye.